What if you could earn money whenever you wanted, from wherever you were, even while you slept? Well, this is the idea behind affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing refers to promoting a third party's goods or services in exchange for a financial reward. The affiliate merely looks for a product they are interested in, promotes it, and receives a cut of the revenue from each transaction. So, how do people make money with affiliate marketing? And how can you get started? Well, let's get started. Opportunities to make a career online are endless in today's connected world. 35% of American workers engaged in some form of freelancing in 2021, according to research by Upwork and the Freelancers Union. Additionally, 77% stated that it was simpler to locate freelance jobs because of technology. And one strategy for making money online is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing generates passive income. But does it work? To put it plainly, affiliate marketing is the practice of promoting and selling the products or services of a third party. Comparable to a referral service, you create a website or blog and sign up for affiliate programs that are appropriate for your target market. Affiliate networks allow you to join these programs by providing a link you can use on your website. And if someone follows your link and ends up purchasing the product, you'll earn a commission. The affiliate marketing sector is expanding consistently. According to Statista, affiliate marketing is expected to bring in $8.2 billion in revenue for the United States by 2023. That's a huge increase from the $5.4 billion in 2017 and the $1.6 billion in 2010. A different survey from VigLink provides a more detailed look at affiliate marketers' money. In 2016, 9% of publishers earned more than $50,000 through affiliate marketing, per the poll. 65% of retailers claimed that affiliate marketing accounted for between 5% and 20% of their yearly sales. The poll also revealed a connection between revenue and experience. 60% of the businesses with the highest income were affiliate marketers who had been active for at least 5 years. However, the major advantage of affiliate marketing is that, once it is established, you can essentially generate income on autopilot. All you require is a constant stream of visitors to your blog or website. But there are certain drawbacks though. Your earnings could be directly impacted if a business modifies its affiliate program's rules. Choosing the incorrect companies to partner with might also lead to issues. If your blog or website readers don't feel obliged to purchase their goods or services, you won't make any money. You'll also have to deal with severe competition from other marketers pushing the same items, given the expansion of affiliate marketing. And then, you must consistently update your website with new information to keep visitors visiting. What is the best way to begin affiliate marketing? First off, it involves creating a fruitful affiliate marketing plan. Although it is quite simple to start affiliate marketing, maintaining a steady income from affiliate programs is another challenge. Building the groundwork first is crucial if you're considering giving it a shot. Start by considering your target audience. What types of products and services are they looking for? Which goods do you currently use and feel confident referring to your readers? Any affiliate program can have links added to your website, but to increase the click-through rate and maintain your audience, it would be better if you just promoted items that are relevant to your website. Next, look up distinct affiliate programs to examine their organizational layouts. You should consider the commission amount and how frequently the business pays its affiliates. Ensure you are familiar with any guidelines they place on affiliate network participants. And on the other side, be honest with your readers. You may inform readers that your blog entries or other parts of your website include affiliate links by including a disclaimer. Your credibility will increase and you'll comply with FTC endorsement requirements if you make this information public. So, what types of affiliate marketing are there? Whether an affiliate marketer has genuinely tried the product they are marketing or whether they are only doing it for the money is sometimes ambiguous. Occasionally, it may not matter to the buyer. However, there are situations when a buyer won't trust an affiliate until they know that they have personally evaluated and approved the product, such as with diet services or skincare items. To distinguish between affiliate marketers who are strongly linked to a product and those who are not, prominent affiliate marketer Pat Flynn divided affiliate marketing into 3 categories in 2009: unattached, related, and involved. For the unattached model, the affiliate marketer has no affiliation with the commodity or service they are marketing. They cannot make claims regarding the product's usage since they lack relevant experience or authority in the market. Unattached affiliate marketing may be appealing due to the lack of commitment, but it is often for people who only want to make money without investing in the business or the client base. For the related model, affiliate marketing is connected but not necessarily dependent on the product or service. The benefit of this sort of affiliate marketing is that the affiliate has the knowledge to drive traffic. However, if they haven't utilized the product or service themselves, they run the risk of endangering their audience's confidence by suggesting it. What about the involved model? It refers to people closely connected to the item or service they are endorsing. Although this form of affiliate marketing takes more time and effort to establish trust, it might yield higher returns in the long run. Although affiliate marketing has the potential to be profitable, turning it into a legitimate profitable business requires a lot of time and resources. So, before you join the affiliate marketing bandwagon, do extensive study. Keep in mind not to put all of your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your sources of revenue is a wise strategy if you want to create a website that makes money. So, what do you think about affiliate marketing? Would you consider starting? Please tell us in the comments section. That being said, we get to the end of our video. Thanks a bunch for watching and stay tuned for more. Be sure to check out the videos being displayed on your screen. Until the next video, peace, I am out.